So today we're going to make Nutella rolls, and the key ingredients for this is Nutella, but we've run out, so we've got Nutella. Dad's going to have a peanut version one, pancake, cinnamon sugar, eggs, normal sugar, semi-skim milk, and the most important bit, white bread. So what we have to do is cut off, which I'm sure Maximas and Alex will be happy about, all of the crusts. And once we've cut off the crusts, we need to roll it as flat as we can. Okay, the next step, we will need 1 egg, preferably without shell. We'll need a dash of milk, and I'm sure we could do this with honey, but we'll try it with the sugar first. 1 spoonful of sugar. So that needs all mixing up. The next step is to apply the Nutella or Nutella, whatever you do have available. You don't want to put too much of this on because it will start to run out down the sides, but a thin layer across the whole bread will be perfect. Okay, now that we have it even, we just simply roll. That one's ready to be dunked and fried. So we'll just do the rest of those. Have it all prepared and ready to go. So we'll get the mixture of eggs, milk and sugar. What the trick is, just to make sure you get it around that piece before you put it in the pan. In the pan I've got the coconut fry light again on a number 6. I'm just going to coat it in this. Get a bit on there. And that's it now. It stays in the pan for probably 4 to 5 minutes. Just turn it regularly. Make sure it's cooked on all sides. Okay, these will be part cooked now. So what we're going to do is sprinkle some of the pancake sugar, cinnamon, so you can just use sugar and cinnamon if you don't have any of this. And then we're going to give them a little turn.
Thanks for watching and enjoy. Goodbye.